Ngibingelele kuwe mlaleli, ngiyathemba ukuthi uyaphila-ke. Mina ngisacela kuwe-ke laphana-ke ukuthi-ke uma ngabe usamusha kuleli khasi-ke leli-ke wenze okulungile-ke laphana-ke ucindezele-ke ebhathini subscribe nje, akubizi imali, kumahhala nje ukhishana nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke leli-ke khona uzokwazi ukuthi uthole zonke iy'ndaba-ke ezintsha ngizobe kulethela zona-ke kulo-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke. So ongakwenza-ke nje lapho-ke wena usicindezele ibhathini subscribe njengamanje-ke udaba kulethele lona namhlanje lana-ke ngiphethe-ke ividiyo-ke yomlisa-ke laphana-ke obeveza-ke laphana-ke inkulumo-ke kababa uJacob Zuma-ke veza-ke lama-point-ke abalulekile-ke lana-ke wawahlaziya-ke ngendlela yakhe, kodwa ngifuna ukuthi mina-ke nje uzwa ngami phela into nje ngizodlala-ke ividiyo-ke uzizwele wena-ke. Uzocela laphana usuzwile-ke le vidiyo lena ungene ama-comment section-ke ufushe umbono wakho ngalo-ke lolu daba-ke lolu-ke ukuthi wena-ke ucabanga kanjani. Mase ucindezela nebhathini nje subscribe nje akubizi imali, kumahhala nje khona uzokwazi ukuthi ngithole zonke iy'ndaba-ke ezintsha ngizobe kulethela zona kulo-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke. Nawu-ke le video-ke awuyithokozele.
Guys, Ubaba was talking today. Ubaba ufike just before 6 o'clock. Remember, usibambise isikhathi saka 2, jiki 4, jiki, 5:45. Guys, also the ANC was giving their media briefing at 6. But you can see the house, it was packed. Everybody was here from all media houses, excluding the ENCA, less on the MKP. Ubaba guys, like ubambe media briefing yake. Like you can tell ukuthi, guys, you can tell ukuthi Ubaba is the Michael Jackson of politics. Because of this house, it can't be full like this. So guys, Ubaba, he said ukuthi, there will be a time whereby people will go to the streets. And guys, when I English, it needs you to understand it. There's no way la Ubaba begati I am instigating the violence. Uthe kuyokufika isikhathi la siziyela khona thina estradini. What did I say to you? People will fight back. And when people fight back, sometimes it becomes uncontrollable. And if it becomes uncontrollable, a lot of innocent people get hurt. That's what I told you. I'm just hoping, Uguti, say for re-elections, just peace. Sibuyele emakhethweni, sikhiphe ANC, sizikhethele i-political party yethu, ibe i-majority, sichubeke nge-life eSouth Africa. And futhi Ubaba is also saying ukuthi the markets, there's no market. Ama-markets lawa abakhuluma ngawo, they are serving the best interest of other people. And I agree with him because of if the market, they were able to survive in 1994, in 2024, it's not difficult to go to market survive. People were threatening to leave with their businesses before 1994. Till today, they are still here in South Africa. You understand? So somebody is bullshitting somebody here. So guys, what is happening? They are taking the matter back to electoral court. So that's where the judgment will be. The IEC results were rushed and null and void. Then we go back to where? Re-elections. I don't know, guys. Nina, how do you feel about the speech Sagababa? Also, Utalimpovi also said about the cases Uguti, Abu Jabalani Kumalo, they were removed and all of those things. Yeah, good. Also, the matter is taken to court. My results were IEC because of they've got concrete evidence against the IEC, which the results were rigged and forged. Yeah, that's all I can say, guys. But Ubaba, Babu Teba sizokufika isikhathi la abantu kumele bayistradini. Azangathi ubani kose ashise ningamfaka amagama emlomeni. There's no way la Ubaba athe mina I'm instigating violence. If we are going to the streets, it's either it becomes a protest which is peaceful, and then sometimes it becomes uncontrollable. So ibagai too. So yeah, guys, what do you think about the speech Sagababa? What do you think about, like, do you think MK, they will win this case? I don't know.